Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel One to Step, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can sign up to your Bigo Live on your Android smartphone. To do so, first of all, just download your Bigo Live app, and after it has been downloaded, open it up, making sure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. And as you open the app, you can see that it will take you to this kind of screen. Here I was already logged in, so if you are on first time logging into your account, it will show you to this screen where there are many login options which you can choose, either login with your Facebook, your Google, Twitter, or many more. Here I chose with Google account because it is more easy as I already have a Google account. Just click on whichever sign in you want to use. After that, it will take you to a different screen to input your credentials, and after you have put in your credentials and hit on continue, then you'll be logged in into your Bigo Live account. And that is how much easy it is to sign up to Bigo Live. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review. And for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.